guys, what's up? So, first big event of 2024 at Fuel Fest in West Palm Beach. Fuel Fest is an event that Cody Walker started for his brother Paul Walker, as you guys know who Paul Walker is obviously, and they have a tour around the country, and it's really cool. The first stop of the year is in West Palm in Florida, so we had to come out. A bunch of awesome drivers here. It's going to be huge. The event's already ginormous. They're expecting like 15,000 people, and you're doing ride-alongs to everybody, and we actually make some money doing ride-alongs. So like, you know, people get weird about making money from ride-alongs, but like, we have very expensive race cars and we're driving for fun for ourselves, but like to make some money back, it's pretty sweet. But also half the proceeds of the sales here go to Paul Walker's Foundation, which is also really cool. So they're spreading car culture everywhere across the country in honor of Paul, and it's really cool. And Cody Walker will be here today, and Tyrese, and like all the guys from Fast and Furious, so it's really cool. Car is the same as always been in the past few videos now. Yeah, we're just going to drive and use it as testing and fun and the media and all the above. I'm really excited, and the normal GoPro video we're going to do, and then see what happens today. We got Ryan here, we got Lasoli here, we got Radan, we got Randall. It's going to be a good time, so let's get to it. He went so slow, I had to go wide. He slowed down. I'm sorry. Okay, all good. Well, second lap out, I freaking got a little hit. We were tandeming really close, and had a shallow up on some angle behind Andrew, and we all kind of got hit. Side skirts destroyed, fenders pretty dunzo, and then my exhaust fell off or broke off or whatever, something. But that's drifting, I guess. Now I gotta fix it and go back out there. It is a very shitty day today. I've gotten this car beat the fuck up, only body damage, only cosmetics, thankfully. I fixed this, I lost that again. I go out for another run, and Cole was in front of me, and we had a little incident, so a brand new bumper got smushed, but it's fixable. But the car mechanically is fine, and we did have a little bit of a toe change in the front from the hip. We addressed it, toe plated it, we're back to where we want to be, and now we're gonna go drive and continue on. But it's one of those days where I just want to stop driving, but I can't stop driving, so I'm gonna just go out there and do some decent laps and not be as aggressive, hopefully, and we'll go have more fun. It's been a long day. Sorry those past few clips, I was just like completely out of it, tired, over it. We got hit, second lap of the day. The exhaust fell off, fixed that. All the side skirts got exploded, the fender got damaged because we got hit and stripped. We fixed it all, we do a good few laps. And then I was following Cole Richards, and he went into the turn pretty wide, kind of parked a little bit, and I kind of dove on him at the same time, so I think it was kind of shared fault, but he thinks his fault, but it doesn't matter, it's drifting. It sucks that the bumper got damaged, but the car mechanically is fine, and we hit him pretty good at full lock, and Wisefab, coil, tie rod, rack, nothing got damaged somehow. We just had to do a tow change, and we're good. But the car's ripping, running really good. I had Freddie put a little more of a pop tuner in there, but other than that, we're killing it. I think that might be it for the day. It's a comp tonight, but I'm probably not gonna drive the comp, but we'll see. I'm tired, I'm worn out. We'll see where it goes. I lost power. I lost power. I lost power. I don't know what happened. I lost power.
Not on fire?
No.
If there was any oil or anything that leaked in the car?
Okay, today has been shit. Like, there's some good laps here and there, but it's been a rough day cosmetically. Got hit, smashed, and then on the competition we were just doing, in that turn, my car just shut off. And I had no idea what happened. There's no oil anywhere, there's no fluids on track. I thought I lost the motor, and I got scared, really stressed, so I panicked the whole way back, being towed into the pit. But I've learned from these problems before, to where you don't do anything until you have your tuner look at your logs. And we had Freddie look at the log, and our oil pressure failsafe kicked in. And that's really good if it's accurate, but it's also really good if it's not, because it works. But we just started the motor just now, and everything looks fine. Oil pressure's good, and it's all good, which that is great. Now, if I was on a bank track in tandem, and that happened, that'd be a very big problem. And unfortunately, when the car shut off, Sasha, who was following me, hit me pretty good, damaged the car, damaged arms, and yeah, that happened. But motor's good, and I've already lost a lot of motors. I'm fine with turning body panels and arms and stuff. But I'm done. This event was not amazing. The event is really cool, but like for me today was a rough one. So it's time to pack it up, throw it in the trailer, and check over everything. Replace body panels, livery, all this stupid stuff I gotta do. Not stupid, I gotta do it. It's just like annoying to do. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys very soon.